Hi everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. So how are you? I'm doing all right. So I put up a video yesterday about some paper crafting I had done. It was just a quick video. I didn't show how anything was made or what it really looked like. I just slapped everything down on my table. And I put in, the title was, Am I Slowly Losing Interest in Crochet? You know what was going on in my mind? When you crochet something, it takes a while, sometimes a long time to get your project complete, right? All you crocheters know that. It could take days, it could take weeks, maybe even months. So what are you working on right now that's taking you a long time to finish? There's other things going on in life, other things to think about, other things that may be more important, like family, you know, spending time with your kids or your grandkids. Yeah, which I don't have, but you know, you guys may. So anyway, when I do paper crafting, you know, you can work on something and it takes not a lot of time. Some objects, some things you work on, like this little thing I'm working on right now. Isn't that cute? Yeah, and then it just opens up and, you know, these will be pockets and there'll be somewhere decorating and things, and then it opens up again, and you know, and there's more pockets up here, pockets up here. It's just something to go into a junk journal. I'm really enjoying making junk journals and craft items. This is just the back. Like paper crafting items, I mean, because you can finish them so quickly and you get that satisfaction, and yeah, like really quickly you get satisfaction, I guess I'm trying to say, because you finish them so quickly. Crochet, on the other hand, takes a while, and I don't know, I was going through something yesterday. I was like, do I want to continue crocheting? So I did change my title of that video today, because I wrote, you know, am I slowly losing interest in crochet? And then I added on to that, I said, not a chance. Okay. There was a chance for maybe a few seconds or minutes there yesterday, but I got over that. I got over that. So last night I grabbed some yarn that I had got from Hobie that hadn't put away. It was on my dining room table in the dining room in a bag, and it's the tea time. Gorgeous, gorgeous yarn. And this is they consider it a 4-weight. It's, I think it's a thin 4-weight. I mean, there's thick 4-weights, right? Maybe this is standard, I don't know. To me, it looks kind of on the thin side. It's really nice to work with, because I started working with it last night, working on a tutorial actually. So it is 100% acrylic, 200 grams, 7.1 ounces, 580 meters, 634 yards, and colorway, color 11. It's got purples and teals and kind of grayish, and yeah, it's just gorgeous. And I did do an opening on these. I got, I think it was, what was it, 3 or 4, I think it was 4 different colors. Yeah, so grabbed it last night, started working on something. It's gonna be a ladies cardigan. It's gonna grow as you make it. Yeah, so let's just get the stitches in the back that are also in the front and on the sleeve, on the tops of the sleeves, on the shoulders. So beautiful colors, right? Yeah. So I started that last night. Of course, I didn't have time. I wasn't able to record because the noisy hubs was home. So I started doing this and recording the tutorial this morning. So that'll be out sometime. I'm not sure when. But yeah, my love of crochet is very strong. So yeah, I don't know what happened yesterday. I guess because I had finished crocheting everything, I had no WIPs. It kind of, I felt like, should I start another project? Do I want to? Am I slowly losing interest in crochet? I did feel like that for a short time yesterday, but by the evening, back into it, back into crochet. I can't quit crochet. I thought I might yesterday when I put up that video. And there weren't a lot of views on it, and I'm thinking maybe, or so far, and I'm like, did I not realize I'm serious? I guess not. Maybe people thought it was clickbait and they didn't want to click on it, but I was serious. I was kind of losing interest for a few seconds, but anyway, I changed the title to, what did I say? It's on the title of that video anyway. Yeah, so anyway, don't worry. I'm still crocheting. I'm still going to do tutorials. I ordered yarn last night too. I mean, how could I lose interest in crocheting and then go to Hirschner's and see their really good deals and order yarn? What am I going to do with it if I'm not interested in crochet anymore? Anyway, I'm back. I just had a kind of a bad day yesterday, I guess. So anyway, yep. I'm working on a new design. It'll be a tutorial, and it's gonna be a cardigan. It's actually the video I put up about the driest yarn I've ever felt. I could still just sense feeling that yarn. It was so dry. It felt just like the moisture had been sucked out of it. I had made a cardigan, and someone had asked me if I was going to do a tutorial on that one, so I said yes, I plan to, but I am using different yarn because that other yarn is just too dry feeling. But anyway, yeah, so this will be the tutorial for that sweater, cardigan. All right, I guess that's it for this video. That's the only WIP I have. Yeah, so everyone, take care till I see you next time, and I appreciate all the comments on that video, you know, about maybe I need a break or I'm taking a break from crochet, and that you do that. You know, if you get a little tired of crochet, you do a different craft. And then when I was reading those comments, I was like, yeah, maybe that's what's happening with me. Yeah. And someone had said, even if you're, what did you say? Something about my decision to still stay on here and show us your different crafts. You guys are so special to me. You have no idea. No idea. All right. So see you all again as soon as I can. Okay. And I'm excited to receive that Hirschner's order and show you the yarn I got. Okay, I ordered it last night, so it won't be here for a while. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. All right, thank you. See you soon. Bye.